We are at our second location in Louisiana, and this is right in the French Quarter, downtown New Orleans. It's kind of cool. If you look, it has that really cool brick building. I guess that's the check-in, and it's all like got looks like pavers on the ground. All the sites are with pavers. Looks like some of them have my window's kind of dirty, but some of them have these gazebos. I don't know if ours does, but I don't know what Amy reserved. But we are within walking distance of all the cool stuff that we are going to experience in downtown New Orleans for Halloween. So I'm super excited about this.
This is exciting because we've been looking forward to being here, and we did get a premium site, which means we're a little further away from the highway, which you probably can still hear the noise, but some of the sites are right underneath it. And look at this cute little covered gazebo area, which has like a party light and a fan and a table with nice chairs. Honestly, I'm not sure how much we'll use it. However, I do want to point out this beautiful building right over here, which is where we checked in. But there's also a pool and a hot tub, which in late October happens to still be open. So I think we might do a little bit of hot tubbing while we're here over the next 3 nights. Anyway, welcome to New Orleans. We're here at the seafood market on Bourbon Street. I think we're on Bourbon Street.
Looks like it.
Looks like it. Looks like we didn't even look. We just saw a bunch of people in a line, and we're like, that place must be good because there are people lined up to eat it. So we're super excited to get our first New Orleans meal.
Eating alligator. So we got some jambalaya and gumbo. I believe that's red beans and rice.
Yes, and then etouffee.
Etouffee, one of those. So, and my Cajun Bloody Mary, which is really good. Just went to the three-legged dog, and they told me they're not doing crawdads. And for those of you down in Louisiana, you're like, duh, of course we're not doing crawdads this time of year. How would I know? So I'm the dumbass. Okay, all right. So we're gonna go and look for food because the three-legged dog didn't have my crawdads.
Well,
but they had whiskey and Coke.
Crawdad season, they said, is from January to maybe August. So if you want crawdads,
yeah, don't come
in October.
In fall. Fall's bad time.
Are we eating out again? Yes, we are.
Barbecue shrimp and redfish.
Yeah. This. So excited to eat it.
Look at her hat. She's obviously drunk.
No, I'm not the one that's drunk. You are. I love New Orleans.
Headed downtown for some Halloween fun.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
We are headed on the haunted tour. Just taking off now. It's about a 2-hour tour. It's supposed to take us to all the haunts, or at least some of them, around the New Orleans area here. Going down the back alleys. You know it's got to be legit, man. They might just be taking us someplace and they're just going to leave us. Today is our final day in New Orleans, and we are going on a riverboat tour. And looks like we are going to be riding the Creole Queen. It is a 2-hour cruise, historical cruise, and buffet. So here it is. There.
I had to get paper tickets. So when your husband asks you, are you sure that you don't have to go to the ticket booth to get paper tickets? And you say, why would I need paper tickets?
That's why. Had a delicious buffet. First buffet I've had in 2 years. Right?
Yeah, it wasn't self-serve, but that's even better.
And now we're pulling up to this stop right here. And passengers have the choice of getting off the boat, exploring this area, and not going back, or going back and continuing on the boat ride.
You can get off and explore.
Right. Sure.
You better get back on the ship before it leaves you.
That's right. Little advice, if you do decide to take this historic paddle boat cruise, for the first portion at least, find a spot on the port side, because that's where most all the historic views are going to be. So if you are on the starboard side, which starboard is right side, port side is left, for those of you that don't know, at least in the direction that you're going. If you're on the starboard side, you won't see very much.
Unless you're driving in reverse.
Unless you're driving in reverse. Good point. yeah, we decided to step off the boat,
Disembark.
and check out the what is it? The War Historical.
It's a battlefield of some sort. Can you promise to just put this information in this little text area here?
Got it. Right, well, we just finished that, and I would have to say it was a lot of fun.
It was. I think it was a good value. Your afternoon well spent.
Yeah, we were on there for about 2.5 hours. We got food. We got to do a battlefield tour.
A historical review of some of the points that we were floating by, which was a lot of fun. And kind of on the way back was more relaxing. We tried some different areas of the ship to just enjoy the views and the weather today.
Yeah, so if you get a chance, book a little float on the Creole Queen riverboat tour.
Yeah.